Computer Science Videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial 3 different ways to enhance your Finder application experience on a Mac computer. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer, the Finder application which is built into the Mac computer. We can now start the tutorial. Before I start this tutorial, I would like to say that you are more than welcome to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. As we know, every problem is solved by indirection. You can also follow my Twitter account. We are trying to grow as fast as ever. I'm on TikTok. We post videos here and there. Follow my page on Facebook. I'm also on Instagram. You are more than welcome to support me on PayPal. Let's now focus on the video. Let's now go all the way around to the dock. Go to the Finder application. If this is the first time you are accessing the Finder application, yours may look a little different to mine. So the first way to enhance your experience is to bring the sidebar into the frame. Go to View, Show Sidebar. The sidebar then allows us to navigate to different folders instead of us having to find a different alternative method to locate different folders, images, videos, files. So I can now locate documents, go back to the home directory, use the smart search feature that has been saved onto the Mac. Let us now go back to Computer Science Videos, the home directory. And so, the second way to enhance your experience via the Finder application on the Mac is to go to Finder, Preferences, and now change the new Finder window to show documents. If I was to, let's just say now, close this, quit Finder, go all the way around to the dock, go back to Finder. And now we can see that we are directly in the Documents folder, so we can therefore remove the secondary clicks that are required to navigate from one folder to another. The third way to enhance your experience is to go back to Finder, Preferences, and now we have this Open Folders and Tabs instead of New Windows unticked. If I was to, let's just say, click this, every time I open up a new folder, this will open up in a new tab. When it was not clicked, it would open up in a new window. So we can now Command W once, twice. And so that's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now. Thank you for making it towards the end of the video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. Be sure to check out the previous video on screen now, or you can ideally click on the playlist and watch all the journey for Computer Science Videos from the start until now.